Today I'm taking a look at the Acer 3-in-1 SD card reader. So we can see it has an SD card slot, we got a microSD card slot, and we have a power delivery port. And it says in the manual it supports 90 watts. So I'm going to plug the laptop power supply into the adapter, and I'm going to plug that into the laptop. So if we look closely, we can see that that is currently charging. So that means we can use the SD card reader, and we're still only going to use one port on the laptop. My understanding is that this uses UHS-II cards. So I got a UHS-II card right here, and you can see the difference. UHS-II has a lot more contacts on it. But the benefit is that it's going to be able to run a lot faster. So I'm going to transfer about 15 gigabytes worth of videos and pictures, and we are definitely getting UHS-II speeds. So UHS-I would have stopped at about 90 megabytes per second at best. Right now we're looking at about 245 megabytes per second. And those videos are playing. So now I want to do a speed test. So for sequential 1 megabyte, 8 process 1 thread, we got 270 on the read, 238 on the write. For the sequential 1 megabyte, 1 process 1 thread, we got 263 and 251. For the random 4K 32 process 1 thread, we got 10 and 2. And for the worst case scenario, random 4K 1 process 1 thread, we got 9 and 2. Now, although it is possible to see numbers down here, more often than not, you're going to be seeing the numbers that are on the top, especially if you're dealing with pictures and video. So what that means is this is for sure a UHS-II card reader. Now, the nice thing about that is that you can still use old UHS-I cards with it. This is backward compatible with the cards you already have, but it's also going to be future-proofing for in the event that you upgrade to a newer style card. So overall, that is a very nice card reader.